I've deleted a bit of footage, we'll see how we go with this. All I can see from here is greens and yellows. But I've got no heavy bag on me, so I'm going to go up this far, up the hill. Give you a better look then. Yeah. Rain stopped. Hope you've all had a good day anyway. What I was going to say, St George's Day has been moved to a bank holiday Monday because of Easter. Why did they move Easter? Anyway, I won't go on about that. Look at that snail. Snelly. Making its way up the dunes, isn't it? Like, look at that. Absolutely awesome. Right, let's go up a bit higher than I usually do without treading on Mr. Snelly. Well, all the snails will be out. Yep, they'll be everywhere. Look. Another snail. So I'm going to have to be careful along here that I don't tread on one. So I don't want to do that at all. Not with nature, no. Look at that. High up. Reach the sky. No inflatables. No inflation. Ugh. Anyway. Let's look up and I'll go around in a 3D. There's the highest point over there where I've been before. But those two people up there. But let's go around slowly. Up to the sea, up to the sky. I need to get my sunglasses back up. Oh, ain't that awesome, look. Way out. Still a fair few people down there, which is good. Daylight getting longer. Zoom back out. I can't even see the screen. I'm just winging it here. Hopefully it's still recording. Anyhow, let's go back down there a minute. And I'll see if I can get some more footage without treading on all the snailies. Point it at the ground so you can see it all. Get some photos down there. Upload. Very green and turquoise, isn't it? Clear. Anyway, let's go onwards. Oops. There, that was that one. This now. Right, onwards. I'll upload this footage later now because I ain't got time at the moment. Plus it dissolves the battery. Isn't that beautiful out there? So that rain's coming back in as well. Get over there.